Hey honey, come take a look. It's almost finished printing. This printer is absolutely amazing.
You sent me that to Rosemary.
Yeah, well she wanted toilet paper, so I'm going to print some toilet paper. It's almost done. It's only got one more line to go and it's almost finished.
Oh my goodness. She's going to love it. It's just what she asked for.
I'm going to make a fortune out of this.
I hope that's 4-ply.
I'm going to
double length.
I don't know, the layers are a little bit different, but it just depends, you know.
You set it to auto soft feature, didn't you?
Yeah, it's on soft, so hopefully it is 3-ply at least. Well, I've used 3 shells, so...
It won't be bottom hole scratchy.
No. This is very soft PLA material. And it's almost done, and should be close. This is the last layer. There you go.
Oh my god, honey, you're just
It's
a
done.
genius.
Yeah,
oh my
let
god.
me just get this off. Yeah.
Careful. Okay, don't break it. It's like gold,
There
Sam.
you go.
We're going to be millionaires.
Look at this. Hey, you know what? This is pretty good. Look at this.
Is that? Show me. Oh my god.
It feels so real.
Honey, we're going to buy 100 printers and start printing this shit.
Oh, I'm going to make a print foam now. I'm going to make an absolute fortune. Unreal. Woo!
Well done, babe.